Hello friends, in this video we will understand third equation of motion. Third equation of motion is also known as position velocity relation. Here in velocity time graph, AB is the straight line. Then we have drawn a perpendicular line, that is BC. Let U be an object's initial velocity and A be the acceleration produced in the body. The area enclosed by the velocity time graph gives distance traveled in time, t. So we all know the third equation of motion. Here v is the final velocity, u is initial velocity, a is the acceleration, s is the displacement. Here OA equals to u equals to initial velocity, BC equals to v equals to final velocity, OC equals to t equals to time taken. OC is the time. Let the body covers a displacement of s in time t. From the graph, displacement equals to area under the graph AB. So S equals to area of trapezium OABC. Area of trapezium equals to half into base 1 plus base 2 into height. Here base 1 is OA, base 2 is BC, that is final velocity, into OC. Area of trapezium OABC equals to half into U plus V into T. This is the first equation. We all know the first equation of motion, that is V equals to U plus AT. So T equals to V minus U by A. This is the second equation. On substituting equation 2 in equation 1, we get S equals to half into U plus V into T. In the place of T, we will be writing V minus U by A. So half into U plus V into V minus U by A. S equals to U plus V into V minus U by 2A. S equals to V square minus U square by 2A. 2as equals to V square minus U square. This is the third equation of motion.